Alright guys, we are in our first studio now. So the name is God Size Still the Solution Career, providing solutions to your problems. You can check my previous videos from the link in the description box. Okay guys, go and watch them. Some of it may help you watch these videos. Okay, they are very good content. If you're a beginner, okay, we take you through music production tips, beat making, sample packs. Everything is free here. Okay, so subscribe if you are new to this channel guys. So we're gonna walk through these best VST plugins that God's Eye will recommend for you. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the first one. Okay, so guys, the first VST plugin is a default plugin from FL Studio. Okay, this is a stock plugin. Okay, first is Muffin. Okay, so guys, Muffin is very nice. Okay, so let's walk through some of the tones here. Check the keyboards. Okay guys, let's check some of the keyboards. Let's check this one. Alright guys, we're gonna change it and see. Let's choose this one and see. Alright, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use the same chord progression. Guys, let's check some of the pianos here. Guys, you can see this is just a default plugin that you can use in making your beat. Okay, very nice. Get time and go through. Muffin is very nice. Let's check the strings. Guys, you can see very nice. Guys, check some of the percussions. Guys, you can hear. Alright, so Muffin is very nice. Okay, so you can walk through. Okay guys, so I'm not going to spend much time with this one. We're gonna move on to the next plugin. Okay guys, so the next plugin on my list is also a default plugin, which is Flex. Okay, so let's load Flex. Flex is very nice. I have a video there. If you want to know the best tones in Flex, then watch this video that will pop up on the screen guys. So let's get tones. Okay, I mean tones. If you need something for your beat, Flex can provide you everything. Okay, so guys, you can go to all, then browse through everything. Okay, or these are also the categories. All right, so guys, one thing I also like about Flex is that when you use any tone and you want it, you can hit this icon here, this star button, so that it will be added to your favorite. Okay, so let's walk through some of the tones. Guys, you can see Flex is very nice. Okay, you can go here, and this is very nice for afrobeat. Guys, let's change it. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's walk through some of them. You can also play with these filters here. Okay, everything is free here. It comes with FL Studio. If you own this, you can even download some of the instruments. Okay, so you can see essential pianos you can download, and it will be added to your flex. Okay, check this 808, guys. Let's check this. They are well tuned. Alright, guys, so take your time, go through flex. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna move on to the next plugin. Okay, very simple. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And next on my list too is also a default plugin, which is Citrus. Alright, guys, Citrus is crazy, the best VST plugin. Okay, so Citrus, you can browse through the presets. Okay, so guys, looking for bass. Alright, you can browse through them. Okay, check some of the bells. Alright, guys, very nice. So if you want something for your afrobeat, okay, you can even use Citrus. Everything is in. Check some of the brass here. Okay, guys, orchestra, very nice. Alright, guys, let's walk through some of the tones so you can see marimba. Okay, guys, very nice, very nice. Okay, guys, let's move on to the fourth one, which is also one of my favorites from FL Studio. Okay, so that's the Fruity DS10. Okay, so if you want something for your amapiano, okay, very nice, you can use this one. Check the log drums. Okay, you can play with this. Play with these knobs here, and it will change everything for you, guys. Okay, you can see the decay. Check this. Okay, aside that, you can also get some of the tones, jazz guitar. Alright, guys, so next on my list is also a default plugin. So the next on my list is Sakura. Okay, so Sakura too is very nice, guys. Sakura is very nice. Okay, this is also a default plugin. Guys, just go through this. Okay, very nice. Let's check this. Alright, guys. Let's check some of the keyboards. Okay, so guys, this is a default plugin, one of the best VST plugin ever in FL Studio. Okay, check the strings. Alright guys, so this is my favorite best VST plugins in FL Studio. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Gosai. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.